Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi Portable photo printer, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the paper cards into this printer. To do it, you need to have the original paper cards, zero ink cards for Mi Portable printer, and then you need to open the Mi Portable printer cover. To do it, you need to do this action. Cool. And then open the box with the cards and open the one package of the paper cards. And here we have the paper cards, and on the other side we have one card with a barcode. So you need to set this card here and then just insert the paper cards inside the printer with the barcode on this side. And just close the lid. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.